In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the Upstream O2 sensors on this Ram 1500. This vehicle has the 3.6 liter V6 engine. Let's get into it. We're going to remove the wheel, use a 22mm socket, take the lug nuts off. And pull the wheel off. Take these screws out. I'm going to use an 8mm socket. There's a couple screws back here. Use the same 8mm socket. And we got some push pins. Just use some trim tools. Just pop these out. Sometimes they break. Sometimes it helps to use two trim tools. Oh, that just broke. That's okay. There's another one right here. Pull that out. Underneath, we can see where there's some retainers. Just want to pop those out. And those are just holding a shield on. Pop that out. Slide the inner fender well out. And disconnect the connector for the O2 sensor. Just push down on this tab. If you need to, you can use a straight blade screwdriver on the other side and just push the tab down. And it slides off. This right here, that's what I'm pushing down with the screwdriver. Just push that down. And then you can disconnect that. Slide the wire out of the retainer right there. Now I'm going to use an O2 sensor socket. This is a 7/8 socket that has a slice in it. You could use a 7/8 wrench or a 22mm wrench. Loosen this up. Once you get it pretty loose, you should be able to do it by hand. And slide that out. Take the Upstream O2 sensor, get that lined up, and start it by hand. And we'll torque this to 32 foot-pounds. That's good. Now connect the connector. Line that up. Lock it down. And slide the retainer. And the procedure is going to be the same for the other side. Take the inner fender liner, line that up. And get the bolts started. These two on the side, there's this little trim panel. We'll put that up. Get that to line up. And the wiring harness retainer, you want to slide that in place right here. Go there. And the push pins, get those lined up. Push those in place. And anywhere else you had a push pin. Now tighten all the screws down. Now put the wheel on. Get the lug nuts started. Snug those down. Now we're going to torque the lug nuts to 130 foot-pounds in a cross pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.